Alright.
It's Mitch here, and today I'm doing a bit of a payback. My friend Jack behind the camera there. If you remember, you've probably seen the video, and he shot me with his big.
That's it there, through the rifle, that orange one. Now it has dual mags. Yeah.
And now I have the G11, which is actually more powerful than that. It's full metal BB gun. I'll show you. Just like before, just like last procedure. We've got 2 BBs in there. One's going to be a test round to show this is real, and then the second one, I'll be whooping his ass with this BB here.
Shut up.
Ready?
Shoot into that water or something, see how much of a splash it makes.
There you go.
Yeah, so quite a big splash. So, alright, if you come back here, because you've got to make sure the gun is loaded and alright, and we just got to position the camera, so...
Load the gun.
Alright, you load the gun. Okay, just get it in position. Okay, that's in position. This is my safety gear for today. You can see I'm only wearing shorts and a t-shirt, so just to see how this looks. Nice balaclava. And as I'm very sort of concerned about my eyes,
I picked up those BBs. Sorry. Forgot what
I'm gonna put these. Yeah. Just check the position of the camera one more time. Alright.
You have some here, yeah?
Yeah.
No,
Yeah, that looks fine. Okay.
ready?
Okay. And the gun is loaded.
Now.
What? The gun about is not loaded. Yeah, it's loaded.
I didn't hear what you said.
Sorry.
Wait. Whereabouts you gonna stand?
I'll stand.
Here.
Okay.
Ready?
Camera see me here?
Wait, stay there, let me see.
Sorry, I'll stand here.
Where? Yeah, right there.
Alright.
Ready?
You got a 360 spin shot me.
Okay.
Or you just want to go flat on like that.
Ready?
No. Oh!
That hurt?
Yeah, you got me like right in between
The BB bounced somewhere over there. Alright, I'm gonna stop this one now. Stop this one now. See you next video.